Hello guys, everywhere is hot and I decided to make myself a freshly juice. We have been 37 degrees, so I have some apple, lime, ginger, orange, carrots. There's some water and I'm going to blend until it is properly smooth. If you are new to the channel, follow for more amazing videos. Turn on your post notifications so that anytime we upload you'll be notified. Follow me on all social platforms. Lady B is the name. TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook. So I have blended it smoothly, so I'm going to sieve it on my old and my oldies. Thank you for the like, the share, the comments. I see all that you do and I really appreciate you all. May the Lord bless you all. So I'll just sieve it until everything is properly sieved. Don't forget to like, share, and try the recipe out as well. If you need that recipe, cooking videos, family lifestyle, please don't hesitate to click on my channel and watch other videos that you might find helpful. So guys, I am done with the first batch, so I will repeat the process. This is freshly made juice without conservatives, without sugar, without preservation, fresh and done dusted. So I repeated the same process that I did with the first batch. So I'll just blend. Once properly blended, I'll go ahead and sieve it. And guys, you know the funny part that I like in this place, I got 500 milliliters. I got one liters, and I got some in a cup. So what I just did, I just take the one that I needed and I added the others into the fridge, serve it cold, add some ice. So I'm done. I'm just sieving it. Look at that, guys. Freshly made juice is the best. At least you know what you are doing. You see what you are doing. You like it. Try it. It's so nice. And when it's cold, guys, wow, it's another level. Take you to another level of meditations. So I am done, guys. I'll just add the remaining ones and I will press it with my spatula to make sure all the juice is out of the shaft. Look at that, how juicy, how fresh, how nice it is. So I saved some in my cup and I will add the remaining one to my 1 liter bottle. And I got 1.5 liter plus the one that I added to the cup. So it's ready, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. I added some ice cubes into the one that I served in the cup. Look at it, guys. This is what I got from my juice. 1.5 liter and the one in the cup. Isn't that amazing? Thank you for